First time offered on market in 5 decades. Only 3 owners of record in 164 years. Restoration of this historical home will make it a showstopper. Pre-Civil War style brick home is in town Danville but on 5.3 acres wooded lot. Looking for a buyer who appreciates the historic value of this home and architectural features. Built in 1858 by Leander Campbell, one of Danville's early attorneys, eventually purchased by Judge Brill of Danville. Butler's pantry between kitchen/dining room. 11 ceilings, original 9 solid wood interior doors, transoms, stained glass windows and original trim. Back staircase was customarily used as servant entrance to kitchen. 2 HVAC systems, new in 2011-2016. 4 bedroom '(S plus den and 4 baths. 3 of the 4 upper level bedrooms have private baths.